In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate the basics of creating connectors. I can create a connector in the model of a project or in a library. The process is the same. So for this demo, I will create a connector in the model by right-clicking the model folder and selecting connector. The default ID is P followed by an index, and I can change that to anything I want, or I can add a part number, description, manufacturer, but all those are optional fields. In subtype, I can select plug, receptacle, or symmetric. I'll select plug, and then in the contacts field, I will enter 9. And when I do that, I can then expand the connector and see all 9. If I click the 3 dots next to it, I can see that the default ID for each contact is numeric, but I can change that to an alphabetic or free text ID. In this case, I want to leave it as numeric, so I'll simply cancel. And I want to assign a valid mate. So a valid mate has to be assigned from the library, and I've got one library open here. That's a 9-pin plug, so I'm going to select a 9-pin receptacle and define that as the valid mate. So now the valid mate shows, and if I place P1 on the diagram and flip it using the space bar, and then I go to the library and find my receptacle and bring it into proximity, the green square appears indicating that it's a valid mate. And when I do drop it, it snaps into position and both connectors move in unison.